Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well, with good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish haircut, and overall collection very stylish, latest, most demanding and very cute ideas for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut, some ideas pixie haircut, some collection bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, step, undercut, and so beautiful collection of choppy haircut and very stylish ideas of hair dye, blonde color, light blonde, dark blonde, full blonde hair, and some ideas in blonde streaks, highlights, chunks, and different ideas of highlights, some ideas of highlights, burgundy color, funky color, and so beautiful collection of other shade of dye, gray color, black color, ash color, light brown, dark brown, and very attractive ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyling and spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyle, spiky hairstyle with undercut, and so beautiful ideas of curly and wavy hairstyle, and overall collection very stylish, latest, most demanding and very charming. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look very pretty and you look very gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.